Ladies and gentlemen, we went on a short Sunday Superbike drive with the GNRC and it was the experience of the lifetime. It's because these superbikes, whenever they come across our own vehicles, it just grabs our attention. Their high-tech engineering, it just drives us crazy and makes us fall in love with them. And today we bring you a dozen of these superbikes that will not only just make you fall in love with them, but also gonna blow your eardrums away. बहुत सारा बैंडर्स होने वाला है. We'll start slow, we'll increase our pace, we'll unleash the beast mode of these breathtaking, mind-numbing and ear-cracking machines. So, I Yash Chaudhary welcome you to the world of superbikes with Greater Noida Riders Club and Heat 17. Let's get started. really hope this becomes your favorite superbike video, and this was just a small glimpse of what happens when two highly superbike obsessed communities come together to form a huge bond and drive to the success. So I would like to extend my thanks to the GNRC and to all the viewers who are watching and enjoyed our video. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Yashodi, you're watching Heat 17, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.